something a little bit different today. I needed to take a step back, take care of my resources. But sometimes it's just so easy to get lost in the work, we forget about everything else. I've thrown a lot of action into this work, and it's time for a refresh. I don't need to replace it. You know what? I bet people are a lot like that too. I'm so glad I had the video recording for that epiphany. Totally genuine epiphany. Rather it's a day off, an energizing hobby perhaps, or maybe a change of scenery, time with friends and family. We all need that time to refresh. Because it's okay to be burnt out, it's okay to be tired and worn out, but we can't expect to be our best when we're feeling like that. So we have to ask ourselves, is it time for a refresh? And if so, what is it that we need? Let me know in the comments. What do you do when you're feeling a bit burnt out? I hope to see you on the next 12-foot view. And remember, friends, stay sharp.